Since the dawn of flight, engineers understood that there was another way to fly. Not an airplane, but something entirely different. A kind of craft that glides over a surface, supported by the aerodynamic interaction between it and the ground or water. But it's not just another way to fly. It's the most efficient way to fly. The ground effect occurs when air normally deflected downwards and around a wing is instead compressed, creating a pocket of air pressure, resulting in less drag, more lift, and much greater efficiency. And it means that unlike conventional aircraft, which are engineered to be as light as possible, ground effect machines use size and mass to their advantage to compress even more air beneath them. All of these brilliant engineers understood the revolutionary potential of the ground effect, but they were working without the benefit of modern technologies, like fly-by-wire, fully automated flight control, and highly efficient propulsion systems suited for low-altitude flight, technologies that have only become a practical reality in recent years. As the world's first ground effect heavy transport, Leviathan Air is a more efficient, economical, and environmentally friendly means of high-speed maritime transport. They can be loaded at any standard port and are designed around existing transport conventions, capable of accepting standard air freight containers. Leviathan's twin-boom design and large central foil can accommodate up to 80 freight containers, about double that of a Boeing 777 freighter. Operating from standard ports, Leviathans aren't constrained by the traffic limitations of congested airports, and that means they depart on their own schedule. Departing a harbor is done at high speeds, thanks to hydrofoils, which allow operating speeds of up to 60 knots. Within minutes, Leviathan reaches open water, giving it the freedom to accelerate to much higher speeds. The primary source of propulsion is an array of highly efficient electric ducted fans, ideally suited for maritime environments. Above 60 knots, Leviathans no longer need foils, which are retracted. The magic of the ground effect has taken over, and a pocket of highly compressed air lets the 750-ton transport accelerate to its cruising speed of 250 knots. At cruising speed, the enormous craft uses only half the fuel of a conventional jet transport. Less fuel means less pollution. Adopting liquid natural gas or hydrogen as a fuel source could further reduce or even eliminate emissions altogether. Leviathan is fully autonomous, capable of maintaining flight and navigation without input from a human pilot. An array of long-range sensors, cameras, and radars ensure safe operation. But back on land, a captain remotely monitors flight, ready to take over if needed, or when navigating harbors. Leviathans will transport cargo 20 times faster than conventional ocean-going vessels and at half the cost of air freight. Whether for civilian or military applications, it's time to consider a more efficient, more environmentally friendly, and more economical way to fly. It's time to harness the power of the ground effect.